Okay, a couple of things to note when you're doing the copy of the movie table. Type is a drop-down box or a choice list. So we're going to use the lookup wizard to help us put in the values that we want to have. We get to choose between DVD or VCD. That's be enough for now. Click next and go finish. Okay, what that will do for you is you'll be able to choose there from a drop down list the available types. The other thing you want to be able to do also is status. Even though it's a Boolean field or a true false field, you want them to be able to look up in store, out of store. So here what you need to do is have two columns in your table. Column 1 is in store, and that's true, and on loan, it just, instead of, because it's only one of two types, okay, status is either in or out, it takes up less memory to save it as a Boolean, as a true or false entry. This asks you which value do you want to store. We actually want to store the true or false. We don't want to store the in-store or the out-of-store. And we want to save it in that value there. Okay, now when we go back and have a look at this, bound column means it's going to save the value in the second column. We don't want to show both of the heads, so we just make it only wide enough to show one. We only want to list 2 rows because that's all that's in there. Yes, we want to limit it to list. Okay, let's go and have a look and see what that looks like. So if you have a look here, I drop down list. So if I choose on loan, it stores a 0, and if I choose in store, it chooses a -1, and that's just the values that Boolean fields store as. So true is -1, false is 0. Something to remember for later. Bit complicated, but it's really worthwhile for further database work to do it like that.